Turntable needle Ruby Stylus replacement needles, suitable replacement for the following models: IONTTUSB Pro, Profile, Profile Plus, Profile LPDock, ITTCD05, ITTCD10, IT10, IProfile, TUSB, TUSB10, TUSB, LPDock, ITT03RS, IDJ03, DJ02M for ION Crosley Turntable Stylus record player needle for ION ICT04RS, IONTTUSB, TUSB10, IT10, LPDock, LP2CD, LP2 Flash, IProfile and Profile Flash, Crosley CR24003A, CR2402C, CR2413A, CR245, CR246, CR249, CR6001A, CR6004A and CR6249A. 4 other ones need to check with us. Same sound quality as original one. Play 33/45/78 RPM vinyls. Stylus only, not include cartridge. Easy to install.